Hello, everyone. Did you know that choosing the right type of meat can help you manage diabetes more effectively? For those living with diabetes, protein plays an essential role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, protecting heart health. In today's video, Harmony for Health will introduce the 7 best types of meat for people with diabetes. These are top choices because they are low in saturated fat, reducing the risk of heart complications, rich in essential nutrients, supporting energy levels and overall health. Blood sugar friendly. They don't cause sharp spikes in blood sugar levels. Join us as we explore how to incorporate these meats into your daily meals to diversify your menu, improve your health, stay on track with your diabetes management goals. If you're looking for practical nutrition tips to enhance your lifestyle, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Let's get started. 8. Skinless chicken breast, the perfect protein. Choice for people with diabetes. Why is skinless chicken breast ideal? Skinless chicken breast, especially turkey breast, is an excellent choice for people with diabetes due to its high protein content and low saturated fat. This helps reduce the risk of heart disease, a common concern for those with diabetes. Unlike processed chicken meats, fresh chicken breast contains no additives or preservatives, ensuring optimal nutrition and safety for your health. Key nutritional highlights. Niacin, vitamin B3, supports energy metabolism and improves heart health. Selenium, boosts immunity and supports thyroid function. Low in calories, helps control portion sizes and maintain a healthy weight. Rich in lean protein, slows carbohydrate absorption, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps you feeling full longer. Healthy cooking methods. Recommended: grilling, steaming, or roasting to preserve nutrients and limit unhealthy fats. Avoid frying to reduce intake of saturated fat and unnecessary carbohydrates. Pair with non-starchy vegetables. Broccoli, high in fiber, slows glucose absorption. Spinach provides iron and potassium, supports heart and circulation health. Bell peppers add flavor, color, and vitamins A and C. Recipe ideas. Herb roasted chicken breast. Season with rosemary, garlic, and lemon for flavor without extra fat. Citrus glazed chicken breast. Pair with cauliflower rice for a low-carb, balanced meal. Chicken salad. Toss with spinach, avocado, and almonds for healthy fats and vitamins. Skinless chicken breast is a delicious, nutritious choice to enhance your diabetes-friendly meal plan. 7. Pork tenderloin, a perfect protein. Choice for diabetics. Why pork tenderloin is ideal? Pork tenderloin is one of the leanest cuts of pork, containing less saturated fat than bacon or sausage, making it an excellent choice for those managing diabetes. Its low-fat content and high-quality protein help stabilize blood sugar levels, support weight management, and promote heart health. Nutritional benefits of pork tenderloin: low in saturated fat, reduces cholesterol levels and minimizes the risk of cardiovascular complications. Rich in protein, provides essential energy and aids in muscle recovery. Pairs well with low-carb vegetables. Vegetables like spinach, cauliflower, and zucchini offer fiber and help manage blood sugar levels. Recipe suggestions for diabetics. Parmesan-crusted pork. Tenderloin, serve with fresh vegetables or low-carb cauliflower rice for a balanced and delicious meal. Slow-cooked pork. Tenderloin. This method keeps the meat tender and juicy while preserving its nutritional value without excessive oils or fats. Herb-seared pork. Tenderloin retains natural flavors and adds a delightful touch to any diabetic-friendly meal. Tips for choosing pork. Opt for fresh cuts like pork tenderloin and avoid processed meats such as bacon or sausage, as these contain high levels of saturated fats and sodium, which can negatively affect heart health and blood sugar levels. 6. Salmon, a superfood for diabetics. Why salmon is beneficial. Salmon and other fatty fish like anchovies and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, including EPA and DHA, which are essential for managing diabetes. Scientific benefits of salmon for diabetics. Reduces inflammation. Omega-3s combat chronic inflammation, often present in diabetics, and lower the risk of complications. Improves insulin sensitivity, helps cells use insulin effectively, leading to better blood sugar control. Promotes heart health. Omega-3s reduce triglycerides and lower the risk of atherosclerosis, a common concern for diabetics. Provides steady energy. Salmon is a high-quality protein with no carbs, preventing blood sugar spikes. Cooking tips. To retain its nutritional value, salmon should be grilled or pan-seared with minimal oil. A great meal idea is grilled salmon served with steamed greens or a fiber-rich salad. Fiber slows sugar absorption, helping regulate blood sugar and increasing satiety. Note, choose fresh salmon over canned varieties, which may contain unhealthy oils or added sodium. Consuming salmon 2 to 3 times a week can optimize its health benefits. Salmon is not only delicious but also a superfood that effectively supports diabetes management. 5. Beef tenderloin, a smart choice for diabetics. Rethinking red meat. Red meat often gets a bad reputation for its potential to impact heart health and blood sugar levels negatively. However, when chosen and prepared properly, lean red meat like beef tenderloin can be a healthy protein option for diabetics. Benefits of beef tenderloin. High-quality protein, supports muscle repair, energy maintenance, and blood sugar regulation. Low in saturated fat. Choosing lean cuts like tenderloin reduces the risk of blood sugar spikes and heart complications associated with unhealthy fats. Cooking suggestions. Opt for grilling, baking, or pan-searing with minimal oil. Avoid frying or adding animal fats, as these increase unwanted calories and unhealthy fats. Pair beef tenderloin with non-starchy vegetables such as broccoli, spinach, or cauliflower for a balanced meal. The fiber in vegetables helps slow sugar absorption, stabilizing blood sugar levels. Add healthy fats like olive oil or avocado to enhance flavor and nutritional benefits. Beef tenderloin is not only flavorful, but also a suitable choice for a diabetic-friendly diet when consumed responsibly and creatively. 4. Get creative with skinless duck, a great source of healthy fats. Skinless duck, with its rich flavor and healthy fat content, is a nutritious choice for those looking to diversify their meals while maintaining stable blood sugar levels. For instance, Peking duck, paired with low-carb cauliflower rice, makes for a meal that's not only delicious, but also nutritionally balanced, ideal for individuals with diabetes. The fiber in cauliflower rice helps regulate blood sugar levels, while duck provides high-quality protein and heart-healthy fats. Transform this traditional dish into a modern, diabetes-friendly option by reducing sugary sauces and incorporating more low-carb vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, or spinach. This approach not only sustains energy levels, but also supports weight management and cardiovascular health. Before we move on to the next topic, please support the Harmony for Health channel by subscribing and liking. Your support is the biggest motivation for our team to keep creating even better content. Thank you so much. 3. Lean lamb, a nutritional choice for diabetics. Lean lamb is an excellent source of high-quality protein and nutrients that, when consumed in moderation, can aid in blood sugar control and overall well-being for individuals with diabetes. Key nutritional benefits of lean lamb. High-quality protein, supports muscle repair and maintenance, keeps you feeling full longer, and reduces cravings, essential for managing weight and blood sugar. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Heme iron, easily absorbed, it supports red blood cell production and prevents anemia. Zinc, boosts immunity and supports insulin function. Vitamin B12, vital for nerve health and energy production. Low in saturated fat. Lean cuts like lamb loin contain less saturated fat than other red meats, reducing the risk of heart disease associated with diabetes. Diabetes-friendly preparation tips. Opt for lean cuts. Choose lamb loin, trim chops, or ground lamb from lean cuts. Cook smart. Grill, steam, or slow cook to retain natural flavors without adding unhealthy fats. Pair with low-carb veggies. Serve lamb with zucchini, broccoli, or leafy greens to boost fiber and stabilize blood sugar. Season naturally. Use rosemary, mint, or garlic for added flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits. Important note, consume lamb in moderation, about 3 to 4 ounces per meal, to avoid overburdening the metabolism. Avoid highly processed or charred lamb, as they may negatively impact health. 2. Organ meats, a unique nutritional choice for diabetics. Organ meats like liver, kidney, heart, and tongue are nutrient-dense options that can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes when consumed appropriately. They provide a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and proteins to help stabilize blood sugar. Scientific benefits. Fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K, support immunity, enhance vision, and regulate blood sugar. Vitamin B12 boosts nerve health and energy. Iron and zinc aid in insulin function and cell regeneration. How to incorporate organ meats. Start simple. Mix organ meats with ground beef, 70% beef, 30% organ meats, to make burgers, meatballs, or tacos. Use bold flavors. Pair with tomato-based sauces or curries to balance the strong taste. Try dishes like Vietnamese po, Korean haejanguk, or Indian curry. Expand your menu. Once accustomed, explore more intricate recipes to maximize the nutritional benefits. Organ meats are not only rich in protein, but also contain healthy fats that help regulate blood sugar and provide sustained energy. They are a fantastic way to enhance your diet while promoting overall health. Important note, consult your doctor before making dietary changes to ensure they align with your individual health needs. Experiment with organ meats to create flavorful, nutrient-packed meals that support your health effectively. 1. Eel meat, a nutrient-rich choice. Eel meat is a high-quality protein source rich in vitamins and minerals, offering numerous health benefits, particularly for individuals with diabetes. According to traditional Eastern medicine, eel meat helps nourish the body, support blood circulation, and stabilize blood sugar levels when consumed properly. Key nutritional highlights. Abundant protein. Eel meat provides a high protein content, helping maintain energy levels and supporting cell regeneration. Vitamin A enhances eye health and boosts the immune system. Unsaturated fats promotes heart health and aids in the body's metabolic processes. Iron and zinc improves blood circulation and supports insulin function. Benefits for people with diabetes. Thanks to its rich nutritional profile, eel meat not only helps sustain energy levels, but also supports blood sugar management. Natural compounds in eel are believed to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of sudden spikes after meals. Cooking suggestions. Eel soup with vegetables. Combine eel with low-carb vegetables like zucchini, spinach, or chayote to create a refreshing, balanced dish. Steamed eel with ginger. Steaming preserves the nutritional value and natural flavor of the eel. Note, eel should be prepared simply, avoiding excessive oils or sugary seasonings to ensure it aligns with a diabetes-friendly diet. Try incorporating eel into your meal plan to leverage its nutritional benefits and effectively support blood sugar management. Additional recommendation. You can also check out the video 12 Healthiest Foods with No Carbs and No Sugar Part 02, Harmony for Health, link at the end of this video, to discover more about carb-free and sugar-free foods. It's a great resource to help you build a healthy diet that aligns with your wellness goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Harmony for Health for more health tips for managing diabetes. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share. Which meat are you most excited to try? Or do you already have a favorite in your diabetes-friendly diet? Don't forget to check the description box for additional recipes and nutritional tips to help you live a healthier life every day. Stay healthy and take control of your blood sugar. You've got this. Thank you for watching today's video. Your support by liking and subscribing is truly appreciated and inspires us to continue providing valuable content to help you and the community live happily and healthily with diabetes. Thank you, and see you in the next video.